Hi, it's Herman Chan from Golden Gate Sotheby's International Realty, and this 180-degree jaw-dropping view could be all yours at my new listing, 5007 Crystal Ridge Court in Oakland, California. Follow me inside. Okay, before I even come in, guys, can you check out this glass awning here? It's see-through, it protects you from the weather as you come in. Love it. Ooh, coming in here, first thing you notice, dramatic entryway foyer, fantabulous for a nice wide mirror. Check yourself out when you come in or go. And then as you enter the main house, you're welcomed by this gorgeous, well-lit dining room. Check out these huge panorama of windows to bring in the indoor, outdoor, which is very much a theme in this house. This dining room, could fit maybe 10 to 12 people. Fantastic for entertaining because you're right off the kitchen. Ooh, coming in here. Now look, this kitchen is a chef's kitchen. All Bosch appliances, 5 gas burner grill, and soft closed drawers too. And my favorite part, it's great for Mr. and Mrs. Organized. Sunken living room. I could sit here all day. This room is beautiful. It is part solarium, part atrium, part sunroom, but call whatever you want. It is floor-to-ceiling windows with a 180-degree view of the San Francisco Bay. For me, this would be my work-from-home station. And here we have yet another room with an enthralling view of the San Francisco Bay Area. This lounge area right off the kitchen. You've got this dramatic fireplace, an accent wall with the stones from the floor to the ceiling. What I love truly about this level is the circularity of the floor plan. I mean, all these 4 rooms come together seamlessly with the view and the nature. It's just indoor, outdoor California living at its best. To finish off the downstairs floor, there is a laundry room, 2-car garage, 4-bedroom, and full bath. Let's check on the upstairs. I love these railings. They match all the sconces and hardware in all the house. 2 bedrooms, full bath, nicely remodeled. This is the primary ensuite you'll never want to leave. As you enter here, to the right, walk-in closet, linen closet, beautiful skylit primary ensuite with a really dramatic tub and shower and these gorgeous black and white panels against the wall. You're gonna die. And as you come into the main room, vaulted ceilings, wide sliding door, and here we have epic new deck. But forget about the deck, because when you're up here, you're looking at that. It's a lot to look at. I adore this sunroom, which overlooks this stupendous backyard. And it is stupendous. Check this out. There's a river of rocks with these little concrete rectangle lily pads, I call them. Massive deck, which spans the whole width of the house. Eating area. You know what I'm missing here is some tea lights. That would be a game changer. Lounge area, maybe possible fire pit, water feature around the corner if you want. I mean, hang out here all day long. There's plenty of things to do. Hey, in fact, one thing you can do is set up a showing. Call me anytime for a visit. And be happy to show you 5007 Crystal Ridge Court in Oakland Hills. Enjoy!